this line mostly for code page. Code page is more convenient and fast, and also very quickly to drag. So when we are repair the tires, it can save the time for us. Yeah, you can see the little page. We have different size, and this is square tape. Yeah, for example, this tape is for Europe page, like a limited top, and this is for radio tires and also Europe tape, and also it's very easy to remove. Very easy to remove. Like this. And this is pack tape. Pack tape is used blue cover.